Hi everyone, I am coming to you today with a video of a makeover for my sister's kitchen. I am here with my niece, Nevaeh.
Hi.
And the kids are over here, Zoe.
Can I be in it?
And Keela is right here, she's eating. And let me go over here.
Lazy bugs.
And Imani is over here on the couch trying to hide. So this is the before of the living room.
Yeah, we gotta do a lot of work for it, so yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do our best.
And this is the kitchen.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the kitchen. Can you get out the video? That ain't how it work. She's trying to get some camera time. So this is what we're gonna make over the kitchen. Just do some cosmetic cleaning and organizing.
There's a lot of dishes we have to do. You're not clean.
It's not too much dishes.
Yeah, I cleaned some to begin with.
She thinks she's wrong.
And there is Imani.
And this is the cupboard right here. I've already started on this. It's the pantry. I started organizing a little in there, so it's not as bad as it was. So
I need some more work.
got a little organization system in here. Can you get out the video?
Fine.
This girl don't know about videoing. So this is the before, and we will come back with the review of the after of me fixing my sister's kitchen, because as you can see, it is a mess. It is a mess, and we gotta do something about this. Hi, Zoe. Yeah, we gotta do something about this.
You got 2 more.
So I will be coming back with the final review on fixing my sister's kitchen, and actually I didn't do the drawers. As you can see, she needs some help up in here. These drawers are a mess.
Last one.
As you can see, they are a mess. How are you going to find a utensil to cook in here with all of this?
I went to Scandia on my birthday. Okay.
Yeah, this kitchen needs some help, so I am going to get back to you on this review of upgrading and doing my kitchen, fixing my kitchen, I can't talk right now, fixing my sister's kitchen. So well, come with me on my review on cleaning my sister's kitchen and organizing the pantry and making it look nice and decent in here. So we will be back with Nevaeh and Laticia. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe below. And we are out. Say deuces, Zoe.
Deuces.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
And like and subscribe below.